Welcome to the yoga workout HIIT fusion class. Now this practice today is a great class to do on its own or as part of our 10-day challenge. You can learn all about the challenge by clicking the link in the description of this video. Today's class is going to be super effective. We're going to get the heart rate up while at the same time maintain the breath through different yoga postures. So if you're ready to get started, grab your mat, let's do it.
When the breathlessness is hushed and the best is burned to grey, when the magic is lost.
Alright friends, we're going to get started today standing at the front of your mat. Go ahead and bring your feet together. Taking a deep breath in, rolling those shoulders back, just finding that grounding. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale, reaching both arms up to the sky. And then exhale, bending the elbows, coming down into your forward fold, releasing the hands on the mat. And go ahead and just simply let your head be super loose, super heavy, bending one knee at a time, trying to get a little bit deeper into those hamstrings. A very gentle way to warm up the lower body. Take one more deep breath in, this time coming up halfway. Exhale, step back into plank position. Chaturanga, take it all the way down. Inhale, let's open and release that chest up to the sky, upward facing dog. And then press your way back, downward facing dog. Great. Hold it here for a moment. Roll those shoulders in and away from your ears. Inhale. Now this time lift your heels off the mat and come down so your knees are just hovering. And then press your way back into downward facing dog. We're going to do that one more time. Lift the heels, come into tabletop, hover the knees. Press it back, downward facing dog. And again, come forward, hover in that tabletop. Press it up and release, pressing those heels down. Come back into that knee hover position. I'm going to show you the next exercise first. So what you're going to do is shift towards your right, so open up and touch with the opposite hand, the opposite foot. Same thing, other side, touch, and back to hover. Ready? 30 seconds. Let's go. 1, and hover. Other side, and hover. So opposite hand touches the front toes, touch, and hover. Keep going. Now remember, it's not about the speed, but it's about the form. So once you master a good control of your body, then you can try and speed it up. Keep going. The entire time, the knees do not touch the floor. And we're almost done. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now open to one side and just simply grab the foot with your hand if you can. See if you can hold it there, keeping that other leg bent. Keep holding. Feel that deep stretch. Turning yourself back to center, hands on the floor, and just bring the knee towards the forehead, and then bend both knees back into the hover. Other side. So now the other leg reaches forward, try to grab it with the opposite hand. And just see how far you can get that leg to extend so you're feeling that deep stretch through the hamstring. And then release, bend the knee. Come back to hover and release into your downward facing dog. Well done. From here, let's simply round through the spine into plank position. Hold it here, and then leading with the hips as you take it back in that wave-like motion, downward facing dog. And again, round it forward, and wave it back for 2. Inhale, round it through into plank position. This time take your Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, opening into upward facing dog. Open up even further through the chest. And exhale, downward facing dog. Great job. From here, go ahead and bend your knees, and you're going to hop towards the front of your mat. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up to standing, reaching both arms up to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands to heart. Next exercise I'm going to demonstrate. Coming into chair position, hold. Then bring the hands down, hop back into plank, plank jack with the feet out, jump it back into chair, and repeat. Version 2, simpler, is to simply hop back Then hop back in forward and towards the chair and come on up. Ready? 30 seconds, take whichever version you like. Let's go. Chair position. Release, hop back, plank jack, hop in, and chair. So keep going. Take whatever speed you need. In chair position, get as low with your hips as possible. Keep going. We're almost done. You're halfway there. Chair, down, plank. And again, feel free to take the modified version or do a full plank jack and hop back in. Keep going. We're almost done. Last 5 seconds. You can do this. Give me one more. And hop back into chair. Hold that chair posture. Breathe, going deep with those hips. Feel that burning through the quadriceps. Go low. Reach both arms up to the sky. Inhaling deeply into the lungs. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Go ahead and twist, taking the left elbow to your right knee. Feet together, knees together. Your top elbow is pointed up towards the sky. Keep your gaze down, or feel free to look up towards the sky. Well done, just find that center. Now shift your weight over towards that right foot. And then from here, begin to lift your left foot off the mat and extend. Holding for a breath. And then stepping that left foot all the way back to your twisted lunge. Feel free to readjust a little bit if you need to make sure you're really getting that deep twisting sensation through the body. Keeping your gaze down will help you with your balance. If you want to challenge your balance, slowly begin to look up towards the ceiling. Find your breath. Focus. Inhale. Exhale. Untwist the body and reach both arms up to the sky. Reaching up tall with those arms, open up the body. Next exercise, what you're going to do is simply bring all of your weight forward and that knee up towards the chest. Step to the middle of your mat, bring it into chest. That's version 1. Step back, bring it in version 2. Much more difficult is to step all the way back into Crescent Lunge and then bring your weight back forward. Step it back into Crescent Lunge and then back knee comes to the chest. Ready? 30 seconds, whatever version you want to take, let's go. Step it back and in. Step it back and in. As you step back, your arms reach up to the sky and then they come to the chest as the knee comes forward. Open and in. No matter which version you're doing here, most of your weight is going to stay on that right foot. So you're really starting to engage the lower body, the glutes, the quads, the core. Keep going. We're almost done. And in. Last 5 seconds. Step back. And in, step back, and in. Great job. Step back into your high lunge. Open up your body. Inhale. Exhale. Release the hands all the way back down onto the mat and simply extend the front knee into that pyramid posture, releasing your body over top of your leg. Now a little variation to your pyramid. We're going to actually keep the hips square and your back heel lifted off the mat. With each exhalation, you're allowing your chest to release over top of your thigh, going deeper into the hamstring, into the calf muscle. Working with the breath here, deeply inhaling into the body. Exhale, let it go. Now plant your hands on the mat and just swing that front leg all the way back into three-legged dog. Coming forward into plank and then take your flow, chaturanga. Upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Well done. Deep breath in, bend your knees and exhale, hop to the front of your mat. Inhale, halfway lengthen, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come on up to standing, reaching both arms up to the sky. Exhale, coming down into that chair position, this time twisting to the other side, right elbow to your left knee. Keeping your gaze down first so you find your balance and stability, then start to look up towards the sky. Your left elbow is pointed up towards the ceiling as well. Now look down so you have a little bit more balance. Shift your weight to that left foot and begin to extend your right leg back. Once you got your balance, step that right foot all the way back into your twisted high lunge. Now don't worry if you wobble a little bit, that's totally fine. Take whatever time you need to readjust yourself and meet me in this twisted high lunge. Beautiful. Holding here, deep breath in. Exhale, keep twisting from the belly button. Bring your gaze down, untwist the body. Both arms are going to reach up to the sky. High lunge. And then from here, go ahead and bring your knee in. And one more time, your variation is to step back halfway, bring the knee in, or full version is to step back into crescent lunge. Ready? 30 seconds. Let's go. Step it back and knee up. And 2. Knee up. As you step back with that right foot, get those arms nice and high. Open up the chest and in. Open and in. As you bring that knee forward towards your belly, you're engaging your core at the same time. Your supported leg is powerful and strong as you step back and in. Step back. Last 5 seconds. Keep going. And you are done. Step back into high lunge. Hold it there. Find that center. Breathe. Inhale. Find that breath. Connect with your breath again. And release the hands all the way down to the mat and simply extend the front leg as you allow yourself to release into this modified pyramid posture. Back heel is lifted off the floor. Your hips are square, so that left hip is pulling back and your right hip is slightly pushing forward. You're trying to get those hips as square as your shoulders. Breathe. With each exhalation, giving your body the permission to go deeper. Feeling that beautiful sensation through the hamstring. The stretch, the release. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. Now ground your hands to the mat. You're going to swing that front leg all the way back into 3-legged dog. Inhale again. Exhale, transition into plank, chaturanga. Inhaling, opening into upward facing dog. Exhale, pushing back downward, facing dog. Bend your knees, hop to the front of your mat. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift yourself up, reaching both arms up to the sky. Exhale, hop out about hip width apart and bring your hands to your hips. Next exercise, I'm going to demonstrate. You're going to circle one knee out, circle other knee out. Hands down, hop back into plank. Taking one push up, hop yourself right back over with open feet, and then again, circle and circle. Ready? 30 seconds. Let's go. Right knee out, left knee, hands down, hop back, push up, hop back in, and again. So keep going. Once again, at your own pace. I'm doing my pace. You do what feels good for you. So if you want to make this double time, or if you want to make this half the speed, whatever your body can handle, just push through it. Don't stop moving. Big circle with the knees. And push up. Good job. Keep going. Leg out. Leg out. You're almost done. Last 5 seconds. Keep pushing. Don't stop. Hop back forward. One more circle on each side. And then hop back into plank position and just hold it there for me. Your feet can be slightly apart. Your shoulders are on top of your wrist. We are taking our rest pose here in plank position. I want you to give it your all. We got 1 minute. You're almost halfway. And you are done. All right, last exercise, plank jacks. Simply hop out and then hop in. Hop out, hop in. Ready? You can do this. Finish off with a bang. Keep going. Out and in. Out, in, out, in. Hop out and in. Just keep breathing. Keep your core strong, pulling the navel into the spine. Your shoulders are continuing to stay over top of your wrist. We are almost done. Just keep pushing. Don't give up. When it gets tough, just breathe. Exhale out. Keep breathing. And you are done. Great job. Landing into plank. Take that chaturanga. Let's stretch it out. Upward facing dog. And exhale. Push it back. Downward facing dog. Breathe it out. Well done, you guys. Take a deep inhalation into your belly. Exhale, stretch out those arms, the shoulders, the back. And then come on down to your knees. Sit back to child's pose. Just take this opportunity right now to reconnect with your breath, with your body, with your heart. Inhale. And exhale, come on up to seated as you reach both arms up to the sky. Big stretch. Exhale, bend your elbows and bring your hands to your heart. Amazing job. Thank you so much for joining me today for our yoga workout HIIT class. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to click that subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date on all of our new yoga and fitness classes. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.